Hello everyone, in this video we are going to tell you how to fix Bissell steam mop not steaming. Solution 1. Check the power and water supply. Ensure the unit is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Check that the water tank is filled with water. Only use water in the tank as other solutions may damage the machine. Inspect the water tank for any cracks or leaks that could be preventing the steam from build-up. Solution 2. Inspect the foot attachment and check the ready line. Remove the foot attachment from the unit and then reattach it, making sure it is properly locked in place at the back of the unit and seated flush against the body with no gaps. Verify that the red light is illuminated. This indicates the heater has had enough time to heat up and generate steam. If the ready light is not on, check that the power cord is properly plugged into a functioning outlet. The ready light should transition from blinking to a solid blue light when the unit is ready to produce steam. Solution 3. Allow time for steam generation. Keep in mind that it may take up to a minute for the steam to start flowing after selecting the appropriate steam setting. You may hear a light knocking noise as the water is pumped through the system during this time. Solution 4. Adjust steam settings and check the center display. In some models, you can press the steam on-off button and select a steam level to ensure the correct steam setting is chosen. The Bissell steam mop has different steam levels, and selecting the right one can help resolve any issues with steam output. Ensure the center disc tray is fully pushed in until it is flush with the mop. This can sometimes cause steam issues if not properly aligned. Make sure the tray is securely in place to allow the mop to function correctly. Solution 5. Additional fix. Unplug the steam mop and drain any remaining water. Remove the 9 Phillips screws holding the two halves of the unit together. Separate the halves by pulling them apart gently. Locate the tab on the back of the unit and the Bissell trim piece on top and remove them. Lay the unit down with the steam outlet on the right. The chunky metal object on the far left is the heater assembly. Remove the single screw at the top of the heater assembly and lift it out, taking care to note the position of the cables and hoses. Disconnect the 3 electrical leads, black, white, green or yellow, from the heater assembly. Remove the 2 black plastic pieces and the small 3 cable from the electrodes. Search for part number 160336 on eBay or contact a vacuum repair shop to purchase a replacement heater assembly. If the new assembly does not come with the orange-brown insulators and 3 cable, transfer these parts from the old assembly. Clean the electrical connectors thoroughly to remove any corrosion. Reconnect the electrical leads to the new heater assembly, making sure they are in the correct positions. Apply a dab of dielectric grease to the electrical connectors and a couple of dabs of silicone grease to the screw heads to prevent future corrosion. Reverse the disassembly steps to put the steam mop back together. Solution 6. Contact Bissell Support Solution. If the issue persists after attempting all the solutions, please contact Bissell Support for further assistance. Ensure you have all the necessary information about your product, such as the model number. Be prepared to provide detailed descriptions of the issue you are experiencing. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.